Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys accessibility setting guys, and today video titles guys Infinix phone guys phone color inversion guys, how can we enable and how can we use it. Friends, we want to enable guys Infinix phone guys color inversion, so how can you enable and how can you use it. Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we enable color inversion mode and how can we use color inversion mode in Infinix phone device. Friends, first of all open your phone setting guys and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, you can see guys Infinix phone special function. Then guys you can see guys your Infinix phone accessibility setting guys. You can use guys your accessibility setting from here, but guys we will click on this color inversion. Friends, you want to enable guys, you want to use guys, you can see guys this color inversion guys we will enable from right side. After enable guys, automatic dark mode will on in our Infinix phone device, and once your skin color will change like that. And friends, you can see guys your phone skin color. And friends, you if you use guys any photos and guys any videos, so friends you can see everything is different in our phone. So like that guys we can enable guys color inversion and guys we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye friends.